So you have the living room area. You can see very high space. The walls are 2.7. That's the main door. Okay, good tiles, ceramic tiles. The house doesn't come with a chandelier, guys. So as you can see, you have the kitchen area. The kitchen is 2.7 by 2.6. You can see the top level windows. You can see the granite worktops. So on the right side, you've seen a door. That is the laundry area. Okay, but first of all, let's zoom in. So you have a place for your fridge, a place for your cooker. Some units are, you feed them using tokens. Some of them are prepaid. Is it prepaid or postpaid? I don't know why I keep confusing the two. So there you have your cabinets. And guys, these top shelves do not favor the short people, do not favor short people. I think they messed up with the dimensions a little bit, but it's doable. A very deep sink, so it will hold all your utensils in place. So that's the laundry room. Okay, so now that's a good view of the living room. So let's get inside the laundry area. Okay, so you have some grills. Guys, this particular apartment is on 5th floor. You can see it has some hanging lines, okay, overlooking the Great Wall, ceramic tiles, the tap area. That's where you can put your machine. It has good drainage. Okay, so there, that's it. And then it was a good touch for them to put the aluminium door over there. So let's get inside. So that's the living room. So on the opposite side, you have your DSQ. Okay, so the DSQ is Ensuite, that you can also, it doubles up as a kitchen store if you do not really want to use it as a DSQ. So those are the shelves. Okay, but then it can fit a 3x6 bed perfectly. So it has its window, and I told you it's Ensuite. So it has its bathroom, a shower. Okay, let me show you inside. Okay, so sliding windows, good shower, but it's a bit squeezed. Remember, this is a DSQ that most people use it as a store. So ideally this unit, it's 3 bedrooms plus this particular space. So ideally for, because most of them go for 28,000 to 35 depending on the client, you actually get really good value. So that's where you're getting into the rooms. On one side you have the master bedroom, and then on the other side you have 2 bedrooms with a common toilet. Okay, so that's the master bedroom, and then on the other side, that's where you get bedroom 1, as you can see, and then you have your second bedroom. Okay, that's still bedroom 1. You see the common toilet, good space. Okay, mirror. It has the shaving light for men, and of course women also. So if you have beard, you're sorted, you don't have to install your own lights. There you go. Look at they have like really good storage. So that is the other bedroom. Sliding windows. There you go. There you go. Look at the cabinets. Very beautiful. If you watch my other video on phase 5, the one that is being sold off plan, I told you the differences between phase 1 and phase 5, and as you can see, they've put the MDF boards at the end of the shelves. For phase 5, you just have the plain wall. Okay, so there you go. You can see very beautiful flash doors. That was the main entrance. So now that is the main bedroom, the master bedroom. So it has this walk-in, okay, closet. Okay, here's the walk-in. You have your own master bathroom, okay, with a toilet, good shower, towel rack. Okay, that is inside the master bedroom. Okay, these are old houses, so don't worry about the rust. Once you get in there, make it your home. Make it as comfortable as possible on the place. So those are the walk-in cabinets. And so once you get inside now, you also have those wardrobes, okay? So there was that walk-in, and then I love this space. It has a reading nook, okay? So you can sit there, enjoy the sunlight. If you have a baby, you can put your baby there and sunbathe them there. That is the master. Beautiful workmanship, good sizes. So there's a size for the mother, size for the husband, and size for, say, the baby. Like, it's really spacious. That's the nook I was telling you about, my favorite space in the master bedroom. So you can sit here, read, put your baby there, just enjoy your room. This is what makes the master bedroom unique.